Some people say that I no longer talk about corruption the way I used to during the 2016 election campaign, and that I have abandoned the fight.
Trial of people for corruption is not a political trial. It's a criminal trial. We're not using it for political purposes. We're doing it to enforce the criminal laws of our country. No, Babaya. You have to make sure that you're doing the right thing, you have the right evidence. So one by one, Ghana for say now go baby, they've been made systematic efforts to try and stigmatize my government with corruption. Agya Koo vetting war parliament. If you
We are all here, are we not? I know this issue of corruption. Some wish to demonize my government with it. When Agya Koo went to be vetted, some claim that he bribed his way, but when we checked it, it was spurious. Then they brought it to my office, two gentlemen doing a great job, my two deputy chiefs of staffs. They accused them of corruption, but when the CID investigated it, it turned out to be false.
CID for and want to say when you it's still it's not good enough. Your friend is saying Shraj. I will bring in Jamaham and appointee on also say
Sraj, which has a boss appointed by John Mahama, also looked into it and found nothing. Now they claim Alan Tremantin too has stolen money. But when he explained it, there is nothing there.
But this desperate effort to stigmatize my government with corruption, it is not going to work. It is not going to work.